time to see a spine specialist when the back pain starts to interfere with your quality of life, when it starts to prevent you from doing things that you otherwise would like to be doing, whether that's going to work, outside activities, or if you start missing things with your family because of the pain. At that point, it's probably time to call CONA, schedule an appointment with one of the spine specialists. We can give you not only a diagnosis, but develop a treatment plan to help you get back to the activities that you're missing out on. We have multiple specialists at CONA from both surgical and non-surgical specialists. Additionally, we have a full complement of treatments including physical therapy and more advanced treatments if necessary, including injections if appropriate. The goal of all of these treatments is to help decrease your pain so you can resume your regular activities. The vast majority of patients that we see get excellent relief and functional improvement with the non-surgical treatments. Very few of the patients that we need will typically wind up needing surgery. Oftentimes the combination of other treatments, including physical therapy and injections, can provide the relief that they're looking for. When we're talking about injections, we're not just talking about epidurals. There's a myriad of different types of injections to address different problems. And if you call CONA, we can help develop the proper treatment plan to get you the relief that you need.